Pop this joint open. Swing that back. Alright, y'all. I successfully just did my first load. This is the first time I ever drove a truck by myself with a trailer attached to it on the road. I have drove by myself in a pit or in a lot practicing my back ends, and I just drove a tractor by myself bobtailing, which I explained that bobtailing is you ain't got no trailer attached to the tractor, and they call that bobtailing. But yeah, man, I just successfully completed my first run, my first load. Just dropped off 40,000 pounds of trash. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all. I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. I don't know. It's LeviLoaded. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Crossing this bridge. Now we about to be in a whole nother state. Just by crossing this little bridge. Let me know if y'all like this job and this content better than Coca-Cola. I'll say this stuff more interesting for sure. But yeah, now we officially in a different state. There we go, right there. Wisconsin, where the cheeseheads at, and the Packer fans. If y'all a Packers fan, drop the cheese emoji in the comments. If y'all a Vikings fan, drop the purple something in the drop purple something, the Viking emoji, whatever. About to slide through this roundabout. That was wicked back there. I'm glad ain't no damn accident happened, not on my part, but it was somebody going through the roundabout doing the turn, and a guy behind me or on the side of me was trying to go too early, was too eager, couldn't wait just a couple seconds. Hey, people ready to risk it all over a couple seconds. That should be sad. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna catch you when I get to the landfill, when I pull up to the landfill. Alright, y'all, this is the stretch to the landfill. This is Moccasin Mike Road. So I take this stretch down there and back every day, every load. But yeah, we about to pull up pretty soon here, and I'm gonna show y'all what I do when I get to the landfill. Pulling up to the scale. Gotta get weighed in every time we pull up and every time we leave. Probably be over 80 right now. 80,000 pounds. 89, 99, 40. Damn near 90. That is all trash. God damn, right? That is wicked. Pretty sure I'm the last one. Or no, somebody else might be on their way. This guy's gotta run the front end loader and the dozer. Front end loader for the public dump, and then the dozer for guys with the big trucks like us. I gotta find his blade. See where his blade is at.
Give me about a minute. Let me clean this up and I'll back in, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you. That guy, I ain't gonna lie, I rock with him, man. He helpful. He know I'm a rookie and he helping me out. Say he gonna back me in. He just gotta clean up this shit. As y'all can see, it's pretty messy. It's the public dump, and then behind me is the, I guess you could say, commercial dump. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to back in. I'm not that good yet at it.
All right, bud, you can come back. Perfect.
See, I overcorrect. I turn too much, and I know that, and I do it damn near every time. That side, though, I'm learning. All right, there we go. Straight back ski. Damn, actually, I didn't do as good as I thought I was doing. That's alright though.
Right there, that's perfect. Thanks, bud. Thanks for waiting.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, here go the process. Gotta open this tarp. Here go another one of our guys in a different part of the city though. That tarp open. Think we there? I bet. Come to the back of the back. Grab this chisel. Pop this joint open. Swing that back. Bam. Gotta make sure you not behind it or in front of it. This thing weigh, I don't even know how much this thing weigh, but I done got pulled by it before on a windy day and had to let it go. So boom, you done opening that junk? Now I gotta turn the floor on. Boom. And drive, put my PTO on, put it back in neutral. Bam. Now I put it on cruise or idle. Let it idle about 1500 RPMs. Bam, now I just gotta wait however long it take for the trailer to get dumped. I think it usually take like 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. Well, yeah, right there, that was the process of pulling up to the landfill, opening the door, get my floor walking, I'ma chill, you know me, wait till it's done, till it's empty, and he'll come over the radio and tell me it's empty. And then once I'm empty, I pull ahead a little bit. I mean, I'm gonna show y'all, but I pull ahead a little bit, and then you know, clean it up, clean up the edges and all the crevices in the back of the door. Make sure ain't shit falling while I'm driving down the highway, you know. Make sure shit's safe. Like I said, better safe than sorry, you know. Then I close the door up and shoot back to the transfer station. It's 2:45 right now, so yeah, we're gonna call that a day. I'm probably gonna get back at like 3, maybe 3:30. Yeah, because if it takes, it's 45 after, so if it takes 15 minutes for this to clear up, and then another however long it for me to get back. Goddamn, fly been in this junk this all day. But yeah, so I'll be back around 3:30. And I start at 6 a.m. y'all. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, or I have, but yeah, I start at 6 a.m. and I be wanting to be done at like 4 to get my 10 hours in, but you know, it's cool. All right, I'm empty, and I missed it where he came over the radio. Kind of wanted to get that part, but that's all good though. Got the gloves and the scraper. Man, a pack of hot dogs. That's wild. A pack of glizzies. Damn, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I might have to pull out. I'm gonna have to pull out some more. I ain't gonna make that. It's hard to tell. It's a 53 footer. Can't see that shit. Can't see exactly how far. Back to the transfer station and call that shit a day, right? But yeah, that's it right there, y'all. Y'all gonna see a whole lot of that, but with all types of commentary. Look at all these damn birds. Look how high we are, man. We higher than the trees. No pun intended. I don't do drugs, shorty. Nah, for real though. I don't drink either. I stopped drinking. I stopped everything. Start everything. Everything. I start everything. But yeah, this wicked though, y'all. Y'all would never think this is how it looks and how this is the operation, the whole operation of things. I caught more stuff than I expected to, and I hope y'all enjoy it and appreciate the content I'm putting out for y'all, because I appreciate y'all. You know I do. But I mean, we gonna pull through this scale, but y'all already seen, I think, a couple times now what it's like to pull through this scale, get weighed in, get weighed out. Actually, yeah, I gotta get my mill slips, I believe is what it's called. So it's just pretty much receipts of how much each weigh in. So yeah, each time that I came in, each load I should say, and then for the way in and the way out, and I'm talking about the weight, but it's literally the same thing damn near on the way in and the way out. But yeah, I gotta get my my slips, and then there's paperwork we use those for. Gotta use those to fill out the paperwork. All right, go grab these meal slips. Truck 204. Did you know if 205 got his? He did? Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's all there. It's all there. We good. We great. We gravy. We gravy, baby. I'm a 90s baby, but we gravy since the 80s, baby. All right, y'all. About to hit the road. Pulling back up to the transfer station. It's 3:39, so you know I'm gonna do this paperwork and stuff. So I'll probably be out of here around 3:54. See how it goes. See what happens. And I don't know if I'm probably just gonna have to park the truck. In front of the scale house door. I don't know. So yeah, because I think there's a truck already in there. And then I don't know, I'm about to just pull it up right now and see what they say. I definitely appreciate y'all watching. It's LeviLoaded. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It hit different.